It's your girl Lily, the makeup passionista and B.O.B. expert that is beauty on a budget, in case you didn't know. I am actually refilming this because when I was editing, my audio for my intro and my outro was gone, like nowhere to be found. So I am refilming the intro and outro now. I know it's a different look, but that's what happened. Anyway, so I did this look right over here. I did that look with this little palette right over here. It's not that little actually. So yeah, with the Makeup Revolution and Emely Noel collaboration, the Wants palette, this is their eyeshadow palette that they created. So yeah, this is actually a beautiful palette. The only thing that I would say is some shadows, they're not the easiest to work with. So for example, I had a hard time with like the top two greens over here when I was doing the look. The brush was not picking up and giving me what I wanted, so I kind of had to go in with my fingers to actually get the payoff that I wanted to get. But this color right here, then I had to be like really careful and like try to build it because it's so pigmented and it does have fallout. So yeah, for someone that's like starting off with eyeshadows, I would say it's better if you build the product into your eyes, if that makes any sense. So some of them have very big payoff, and some of them you just have to kind of work with your fingers to get, you know, the effect that you need, or at least I did. So whatever. And if you want to see how I accomplished I'm gonna put again this look right here then here you go. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and in case you guys were wondering what I was wearing on my face in that video, I'm gonna write down all the products that I use in the description box, so you can go ahead and check it out if you want. Let me know if you want me to do this look. Do you guys like this? I kind of like this. I'm like into this right now. Let me know if you guys want me to do this look in a video, because I will definitely do it. I also want to know what is your favorite palette, your favorite eyeshadow palette right now. Like, what is your eyeshadow obsession at the moment? Let me know in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you won't miss any of my videos. And all my social medias are going to be linked down in the description box, so you guys can go and follow me there and yeah, hang out with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Every view, every like, every share, and every comment is greatly appreciated and does help this channel. So I'm gonna let you get that going, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.